What if you could pursue a career that you don't just like, but absolutely love? The sounds, the tastes, the sights. Now think of what you could do if you learned more from an industry leader. Learn techniques of the trade with real-world experiences. Learn from industry professionals. Learn using fine ingredients and equipment. Training that's built over years of tradition. You could be on your way. Preparing hospitality leaders. Bell Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Sivakasi.